For families in Fleming Island, home security is about more than locks and alarms. It starts with strong, reliable windows. While windows bring in light, ventilation, and beauty, they can also be one of the most vulnerable points of entry if not properly installed or maintained. That's why professional window installation plays a key role in ensuring your family's safety, privacy, and peace of mind. Modern window technology, combined with expert installation, can dramatically enhance your home's protection against break-ins, accidents, and even storm damage, all while improving comfort and efficiency. Here's how proper window installation contributes to a more secure and resilient home for Fleming Island families. Reinforced frames and durable material security begins with the strength of your window's materials. Older wood or aluminum frames can weaken over time, making them easier to pry open or damage. Today's modern window installations use advanced materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, which offer superior resistance to impact, warping, and corrosion. When installed by professionals, these frames fit securely within the wall structure, minimizing gaps that intruders could exploit. Reinforced corners and locking sashes further improve rigidity, ensuring your windows hold firm under pressure. In a community like Fleming Island, where safety and family comfort are top priorities, these durable, properly installed frames provide an essential layer of protection. Impact-resistant glass for extra safety. In Florida's unpredictable weather, impact-resistant glass is one of the most valuable security upgrades you can make. This type of glass is designed with multiple layers that stay intact even if shattered, preventing break-ins and protecting your family from debris during storms. Unlike traditional glass, which shatters into dangerous shards, impact-resistant windows feature laminated glass that remains sealed to an interior film. Even if struck, the glass doesn't collapse or create an opening. Professional window installation ensures that this specialized glass is properly seated and sealed within the frame, maximizing its protective capabilities. For Fleming Island homeowners, this not only improves storm safety but also deters forced entry attempts, offering peace of mind all year long. Secure locking systems and hardware. The security of your windows depends heavily on how well their locks function. During installation, experts align and reinforce the locking mechanisms to ensure smooth operation and maximum strength. Modern windows come with advanced security hardware such as multi-point locking systems that secure the sash at several points, making it difficult to force open. Recessed or hidden locks that prevent tampering. Lockable ventilation latches that allow safe airflow without compromising security. When professionally installed, these locks sit flush within the frame, ensuring a snug, tamper-resistant seal. Families in Fleming Island can rest easy knowing their homes are both comfortable and secure. Preventing easy access points. A poorly installed window can create vulnerabilities, such as gaps, misaligned locks, or loose frames. These small issues may not be visible right away, but they make your home easier to breach. Professional window installation eliminates these risks by ensuring every component, from the glass and seals to the hardware and trim, fits perfectly. Installers also use high-quality caulking and insulation materials that secure the window in place while preventing moisture infiltration and rot. With proper installation, your windows form a tight, seamless barrier against both intruders and the elements. Added protection against accidents and falls. For families with young children or pets, safety doesn't stop at break-in prevention. Properly installed windows also reduce the risk of accidental falls or injuries. Professionals ensure that opening mechanisms work smoothly, locking systems are within reach of adults but not small children, and screens or safety guards are fitted correctly. These small yet important details make a big difference in creating a secure home environment for every member of your family. Local expertise for lasting peace of mind. When it comes to home security, working with local window installation experts in Fleming Island ensures your windows are built to meet both safety standards and regional conditions. Local professionals understand the area's weather patterns, building codes, and family-focused neighborhoods, ensuring installations that provide strength, efficiency, and long-term reliability. They'll help you select the right materials and features for your home while guaranteeing a flawless fit that enhances both security and curb appeal. Final thoughts: in Fleming Island, where families value comfort, safety, and peace of mind, professional window installation is one of the smartest home investments you can make. Strong materials, impact-resistant glass, secure locks, and expert craftsmanship all work together to protect your loved ones from intruders, storms, and everyday risks. By partnering with trusted local installers, you can enjoy windows that not only make your home brighter and more beautiful, but also safer, stronger, and ready to stand up to whatever comes its way.